So hello guys, welcome back again iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install the iOS 15 beta 2 on iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also another model. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad users also reported to iOS 15 beta 2 download and install on iPhone and iPad, but still not showing the iOS 15 beta 2 download and install options on iPhone and iPad. So guys, in this video I will try to fix this issue on your iPhone and iPad. Make sure you have subscribed my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now first of all open the control center and strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Guys, now in this video I will show you how to download and install iOS 15 beta 2 version on iPhone. So guys, please follow the step. Now first of all open the any browsers in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, bottom you can see also search bar. So guys, search bar, search beta profile options. So guys, search beta profile. After you can see also first website is download beta profiles. So guys, simply tap on that. Now sometime wait, then automatically redirect to betaprofile.com in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now open this website. After again scroll down and now you can see also iOS 15 download. So guys, in iOS beta profile you can see also iOS 15 beta 2 versions available in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now simply tap on the install profile. Now tap on that and anyway done. Now again you can see also this type pop-up. So guys, simply tap on the allow in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now again come back in home screens in your iPhone and iPad. Now open the settings app in your iPhone and iPad. Now you can see also profile download options available. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also right hand side corner install options also available. So guys, simply tap on that. Now enter your correct passcode in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, enter correct password. After you can see also right hand side corner install options. So guys, now again tap on the installs and also restart required not now and you can easily come back in settings. Guys, now again open the settings app in your iPhone and iPad. Now you can see also scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second option is software update. In software update you can see also iOS 15 developer beta 2 versions available in your iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, you can easily download and install the iOS 15 developer beta 2 in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.